Hello, today I would like to show you how to change texture settings in Myth of Empires. First, we want to go and open settings right here. We will be put right into the graphic settings. From there, we can simply scroll down a bit. Right here, we have texture settings. Right here, we have many different options to customize. We can scale adjustment of streaming, we can amortize streaming, input amount of streaming, as well as streaming maximum anisotropy, virtual texture anisotropy, video memory of streaming pool size. Many options to customize the quality of textures in your game. Honestly, this is a programmer's best dream and also a nightmare. When you are done and your textures has been properly calibrated, you can simply press confirm and you'll be put right back into the main menu. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.